In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment in DocuSign. Whether you're sending out a contract, an agreement, or any document that might require additional papers from the signer, adding attachments can be an incredibly useful feature. Let's walk through the steps to make this process a breeze. To start off, you'll need to be in the Add Fields or Prepare step of your envelope or template. This step is crucial, as it sets up the document for both you and your signer. Here, you're looking for a particular field type called Attachment, or sometimes Signer Attachment. Now, this is an interactive field that allows the signer to upload a file directly into your document. It's a handy tool if, for instance, you need the signer to provide a copy of identification, additional forms, or any other supporting documents. Once you've located the attachment field, the next step is to drag it to the specific location in your document where you want the signer to upload their file. Consider carefully where you place this field so that it is clear and intuitive for the signer. Ideally, it should be in a spot that naturally follows the flow of the document or is close to any related content that requires the attachment. After you've positioned the attachment field correctly, it's time to assign it to the appropriate signer. This means you need to indicate which individual is responsible for uploading the necessary files. This step ensures the right person provides the right documents and keeps the workflow smooth and organized. During this assignment, you also have an important decision to make. You can set the attachment as either required or optional. If the attachment is crucial for the completion of your agreement, for example, if you need a copy of an ID before a contract is finalized, setting it as required will make sure the signer cannot finish the process without adding that document. On the other hand, if it's more of an added convenience but not essential, mark it as optional. Now, when your recipient receives and views the document, they will notice the attachment field clearly indicated in the document. This is where they can easily upload their file during the signing process. It's as simple as selecting the field, choosing the file from their device, and uploading it directly into the document. This functionality not only makes the document signing process more efficient, but also ensures all necessary materials are collected in one go. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully added an attachment field in DocuSign, making your documents more interactive and complete. Thank you for watching and happy signing.